Okay, guys, pick up where we left off. So, first of all, when you're looking at this one, it would look like this. We have parenthesis for the negative infinity, bracket for the 3 because it includes that's shaded in. And we always want a union sign when we have two pieces, so we have two pieces. And then we have a bracket here at the 6 because it's included, and it doesn't include infinity, so we would put a parenthesis here because it goes up to that. For one like this, graph starts at up 1 because this is plus 1. And then we go down 2 over 3, so down 2 over 3. I know that this doesn't have a line underneath, so it's a dashed line because it's not equal to. We don't want to include it, so we don't shade it, we dash it. And then it's y is bigger than this stuff. The alligator's eating the y, so y is bigger than it. So we shaded the stuff up above it. For this one, it was down 3. And we had to go up 2 over 1. So we went up 1, 2 over 1. Could do it again if we wanted to, but I've got my line. This time it's solid because it's got the or equal to. So it's a solid line. I'm going to shade the stuff that's less than. So y is smaller than this stuff. So we shade the stuff down below. I shaded in the stuff that's double shaded right here a little more clearly. Last problem I was asked to go over was this one. So it's $5 per t-shirt, $7 for a long sleeve shirt. Need at least 30 shirts and have a budget of $192. If you're looking at something like that, set it up like this. I'd have T plus L t-shirts plus long sleeve shirts. Has to be greater than or equal to 30 because there's 30 shirts all together. And then we'd set up a dollar equation. So the dollar equation is $5 per the t-shirts, $7 for the long sleeve, and we need that to be less than or equal to 192 because that's what our budget is. If I was going to graph this, I'd put a 0 in for T. And if I did that in order to make the equation true, I'd get a 30 for L. So we'd put a 30 here for L. Then I'd do it the other way, put a 0 in for L. T has to be 30, so we have 30 on the long sleeve, 30 on the t-shirt, and we made a line. Then we do this one, we have 5T plus 7L is less than or equal to 192. We put a 0 in here, so 5 times 0 is 0, and we're just dealing with this equation then. 7L equals 192. Divide by 7 on both. We'd put this in your calculator, and I didn't do that. I don't know what number that is, but I think it's a little below 30, and so I put it right here. Whatever that number is, put it in your calculator. Put it there, and that was for L, so long sleeves. That's why we put it here. For t-shirts, we put a 0 in for the long sleeve, so 7 times 0 is 0, so we just have to deal with the 5T equals 192. Divide by 5 on both sides. We get T equals 192 over 5. No, it's a little bigger than 30, so I put it right here again. Just put in your calculator and find the number. So I made the line from here to here, and here to here. They crossed right in that area somewhere. And we just shaded in this portion here because we want this stuff to be greater than 30. So this line we shaded up above right here. This line we want to be less than. So we shaded down below, and this chunk was the double shaded chunk right in here.